Y'all, welcome back to another vlog. On this one, I'm gonna show y'all how to make banana bread. It's very simple. I found a simple recipe that I Googled. I had some bananas that were going bad or about to go bad. So I'm like, okay, why not make banana bread out of it? So it's short, simple. I hope you like it. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to learn the lingo, y'all. But I appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all. Let's get into it. Oh, I didn't stop it. Okay, hold on. All right, y'all. Grab the ingredients. We have flour. We have bananas, 1 beaten egg. We have baking soda, vanilla, sugar, butter. It calls for 3 bananas. I decided to use 4. We got the bananas. Add them in the bowl. Mush them up a little bit. Melt the butter. Pour that into the mix. I know what you're thinking. At this point, I should get a mixer. I'm a hands-on type of person. So, hey, mix it how you want to mix it. Let's go. Now we're going to add in our sugar. We're going to add in the vanilla. I spilled it. Don't worry. I added extra at the end. Yeah, that was all bad. Then we're going to add in the baking soda. I'm going to add in my egg. Beat it up a little bit more. Pour that into the mix. And we're going to mix again. Nope, I'm sorry. Flour. Add your flour. Don't forget about your flour. Yes. Gotta have the flour. Now, we're gonna mix that all together. Okay, now that we have the batter at a nice smooth consistency, we're gonna pour that into our greased loaf pan. Try to keep it even, make it nice and pretty. One thing to note here is to always make sure you wash your dishes as you go.